Is President Obama's honeymoon ending? After 5 months, it may be happening. The past couple of weeks have been tough on the White House, and the past few days have illustrated the trend. The administration's plans for overhauling the nation's health care system, Obama's #1 priority this year, are being greeted with increasing skepticism and in some cases outright hostility on Capitol Hill and among some interest groups. Senate Finance Committee Chairman Max Baucus has decided to delay the public unveiling of his health care bill until after July 4th. The Democrat from Montana wants to gather as much support as he can and try to alleviate some of the concerns. Cost estimates of leading health care bills in the Senate are going through the roof. The Congressional Budget Office says that either one of these bills could exceed $1 trillion in cost. And as overall federal spending increases, and with the national debt topping $11.4 trillion, Americans are getting increasingly worried. Obama has also started losing support with the public. His job approval rating is 65% in the latest Washington Post ABC News poll, a solid number, but a drop of 4 points since April. And 52% of Americans say Obama's much ballyhooed economic stimulus plan hasn't made much difference so far. These trends are not good for the White House. Obama has also been taking lots of criticism from conservatives for his handling of the violent crackdown in the wake of the disputed presidential election in Iran. His reaction at first seemed mild, too timid. That's according to critics like John McCain, who ran against Obama last year, and Senator Lindsey Graham, the Republican from South Carolina. Whether this kind of criticism had an impact on Obama or not, the president did ratchet up his own criticism of the regime in Tehran at a recent White House news conference.
The United States and the international community have been appalled and outraged by the threats, the beatings, and imprisonments of the last few days. I strongly condemn these unjust actions, and I join with the American people in mourning each and every innocent life that is lost.
All this might amount to only a temporary series of setbacks, but it could also mean that Obama's honeymoon with the public and the media is over. For U.S. News and World Report, I'm Ken Walsh.